A puzzle. Look, this is Pinky. She is white, but her ears and nose are pink. And that is Blackie. He has got a grey body and a black tail. They are very nice, and they are my sister and brother. They are my friends too. And this is me. I am Reddy. I am red, and red is my favorite color. We are kittens, and we are little. We have got a mother, but she is not with us now. She is with her sister. Mrs. Paw visits and helps us. She is our mom's friend. It is sunny today. We are in the garden now. Pinky is on the swing. She is swinging. Blackie is in an armchair. He is reading. And I am in a tree. I am watching the birds. Pinky is very happy and she sings. Please, Pinky, don't sing, says Blackie. I can't read. Don't read, says Pinky. Listen to my song. But I want to read, says Blackie. And I want to sing, says Pinky. Pinky sings and Blackie is very angry. He takes his radio and turns it on. Now Pinky is angry. She can't hear her song. She jumps down, comes up to Blackie, and turns the radio off. Why are you doing that? She asks. Can you read when the radio is singing? Blackie looks at her and says, I can't read when the radio is singing, but you can sing when I am reading. That is not fair. But now I can't read and you can't sing. It is fair. I, Reddy, don't like it when my friends are not happy. I climb down the tree and go to them. I come up and say, Pinky, you can sing in the house. Then Blackie can't hear you and he can read. Or Blackie, you can read in the house. Then you can't hear Pinky and she can sing in the garden. Blackie and Pinky are nice kittens. Okay, I am going into the house, they say together.